All right, this is a quick demo on how to put in screens for a slider window. I'm just going to use the one here in our showroom, and these install from the inside of the window, and you'll see there's these compression clips up here that hold the screens in. So I'm going to take this one out first and just grab these corner clips and sort of raise up. And got a lot of pressure on them, but they'll come out. Basically, if you've got a screen, it's going to go, what you want is the mesh or this little ridge here to face out. That little spline is going to face toward the exterior. And then what you're going to do is put it closer to the inside first, and then swing it around, and then just push it on top of those clips. And you'll see that it just snaps into place. And so if you try to put it in this opening and it doesn't fit, then definitely there is an issue where the screen was shipped the wrong size. But a lot of times people try to put them on from the exterior, or they try to put them in the wrong track, and then it appears that they don't fit right. But hopefully that'll help you install them. If not, then we need to get you new screens. But just let us know.